we
actually thought we lived there too.
It's all good.
Big
They wanted to know
mistake.
where the herbs were. And we said, I
think
smelt
they're
them.
down there.
I think they're down there. So we just had our first fight.
You
We
know,
did.
we did?
We did. We had our fight. And why? Because she left her purse back there.
No, we're all about, if you watch the last segment, we're all about trying to lose weight right now.
Yes.
Okay? So make that thing go back a little further so we look a little thinner.
And up.
And then the other thing is this, I have a full cart of flowers,
Yeah.
as you can see behind him. Can you see the full cart?
Right there.
He's carrying.
she's running away from me.
He's carrying one pot
Heavy,
of flowers.
heavy
And he can't
pot.
do it. I'm like,
No.
remember, we're trying to lose weight here. Little
Yeah, and she's
muscle.
running away from me,
And I'm like,
and I'm
just
screaming at her, going, "Get
carry
back
it.
here!"
Carry it.
But
So
I
I need
was
to carry it.
able to put the bushes on the bottom.
But I'm glad we went back because I did realize I left my bag
Yeah.
back there.
See, there's a reason.
So there's a reason
He had
for
a plan.
everything.
So you go get that heavy bush, and I got a spot for it right
I'll
here.
Get it. I'll go get it.
Yes, so this is what I did was I consolidated. I made a nice space up here, put these down there, and she was just running away from me. See, now we got a nice bush right there. Isn't that great?
It's beautiful.
Obviously.
Somebody has muscles and somebody does not.
Exactly.
Just saying. After
Yes.
Mother's Day.
And we're a month early.
We're a little early.
So
But we want
it
to
is
get a
like
little head start and
it's a
kinda show
little
you.
above freezing today, so we're a little chilly.
Chilly.
My feet are getting wet.
Don't you have any shoes on?
I do.
My dish gloves.
Yeah.
They're very comfortable.
Not that we know much about dishing. Or
Well, we don't know much about gardening.
we
but
don't either.
That's why
Okay. And now they're blowing again.
it's okay. Come a little closer though.
I zoomed in.
A rainbow of color.
Oh, absolutely.
So yes, you got that there.
And those will just explode.